Welcome to Channel Name. Today we're looking ahead to the year 2039, where the boundaries of science, technology, and human potential are being pushed further than ever before. From the rise of autonomous systems to breakthroughs in space exploration, the future has never been so exciting. So buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey to uncover the top innovations of 2039. Our first stop takes us to the heart of a bustling metropolis, where the line between concrete jungle and technological marvel has blurred. By 2039, fully autonomous cities powered by AI have become a reality. Picture this: traffic flows smoothly, guided by intelligent algorithms, eliminating congestion and accidents. This is the promise of 2039, where urban living is not just smarter and safer, but also significantly greener. Now let's talk about breaking down barriers, not in physical space but in the digital realm. In 2039, the quantum internet has ushered in a new era of global communication. Forget about lag times and security breaches. We're talking about instantaneous data transfer with unbreakable encryption. The quantum internet isn't just faster, it's a paradigm shift in how we interact with the world. For years, science fiction has teased the idea of robots becoming more than just machines. Well, in 2039, that's become our reality. These advanced machines have stepped out of the factory and into our homes, hospitals, and even our hearts. Equipped with emotional intelligence and advanced learning capabilities, robots in 2039 are companions, assistants, and caregivers. This is the future of robotics, a harmonious blend of technology and humanity. Now let's shift our gaze from our planet to the stars, because in 2039 humanity's reach extends far beyond Earth's atmosphere. We're not just exploring space, we're building in it. Space-based manufacturing has become a game-changer, allowing us to create things that were once considered the stuff of science fiction. Space-based manufacturing isn't just about escaping Earth's limitations, it's about tapping into the universe's unlimited potential. Let's face it, feeding a growing global population has always been a challenge. But in 2039, a revolution is underway, and it all starts in the lab. Synthetic food has moved beyond science fiction to become a delicious reality. We're talking about lab-grown meat that's indistinguishable from the real deal, bursting with flavor and nutrients, but without the ethical and environmental concerns of traditional livestock farming. This is the future of food: sustainable, ethical, and utterly delicious. Now picture a world where diseases are treated before they even have a chance to take hold. That's the promise of nanomedicine in 2039. We're talking about microscopic robots smaller than a human cell that act like tiny surgeons within our bodies. These nanobots can deliver targeted drug therapies directly to diseased cells, repair damaged tissues at the molecular level, and even clear out plaque from our arteries, all with minimal side effects. Nanomedicine is not just about treating diseases, it's about extending human lifespan and enhancing our overall well-being. In 2039, humanity's pioneering spirit has landed us on the surface of Mars, and this time, we're not just visiting, we're staying. Years of research and development have culminated in the establishment of self-sustaining colonies on the Red Planet. Advanced climate engineering techniques have transformed the Martian atmosphere, making it breathable for humans. Massive solar farms power our habitats, while hydroponic gardens provide fresh, Martian-grown produce. 2039 marks a pivotal year in human history, the year we became a multi-planetary species. From the heart of our smart cities to the dusty plains of Mars, 2039 is a testament to what humanity can achieve with imagination and innovation. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into tomorrow's world. Thank you for watching, and see you in 2040.